System self-calibration operation. Thread the center hole of the tire into the balance shaft. Fit the appropriate taper block onto the balance shaft. Quickly lock with the opening and closing nuts. Measure the rim distance A and diameter D with a width measuring tape. Measure the rim width W with a rear tape measure. Press and hold F+C for 4 seconds to enter the system calibration program. The system interface will display Cal. Lower the protective cover to start the motor. After the tire stops rotating, open the protective cover. Rotate the tire until the balance indicator light is fully illuminated. Place a 100G balancing block on the outer edge of the wheel at 12 o'clock. Lower the cover and start the motor. Remove the outer balancing block. Rotate the tire until the balance indicator is fully illuminated. Place a 100-gram balancer on the inside edge of the wheel hub. Lower the protective cover and start the motor. Slowly rotate the tire by hand so that the laser points to the center of the inner balancer. Then press ALU key to confirm. The interface displays Cal END to indicate that the calibration is complete. S-mode tire balancing operation. After mounting the tire, use a measuring tape to measure the rim distance A, diameter D, and width W. Lower the protective cover and start the motor. Add the counterweight at the laser intersection point on the left hub edge according to the screen prompts. Press the SPL key. The wheel will automatically reach another unbalanced point. Add the counterweight at the laser intersection point on the right hub edge according to the screen instructions. Lower the protective cover and start the motor. The displayed reading is 0, indicating that the tire is successfully balanced. Remove the tire to complete the operation.